Alright guys, this is another Fire Line video, part 2. Alright guys, oh my gosh, wait, where's everybody else? Maybe they went outside. Come on, go, 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 go! Yeah! Woohoo, I got rid of that. Yahoo, I got rid of the problem. Bruh, I really don't like you, bro. Bro, you are pure evil. Come on, get outside. Everyone, let's get outside. Come on. Into the lunchroom. Come on, let's go to the lunchroom. Everyone into the lunchroom, all the way to the exit. Let's get to the exit. Come on, let's roll, guys. I'm trying to run. You're gonna have to pay for that. Phew, we made it. Alright. How many students are here? Well, according to my calculation, there's 12 students in our school. Okay, we should count to 12. If we reach the end of counting, but it's below 12, somebody's inside the school. And we have to sing them. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wait, did somebody say 12? I did. Okay, and I said 12 students are in here. Alright. Oh wait, actually we had 13 students and one is absent. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, the police is here. Hey guys. My name is I'm Captain Steve, and I'm the police officer named David. Okay, so we're from the DeKalb County's police station. So ma'ams, what is it? So guys, I got something to tell you, really crazy and bad for the students. Because they're going to be in trouble. Because one of them are going to be in trouble. What you mean? They're going to be in trouble. It was a false alarm, and I saw a fire alarm pulled it over there. Alright. Let's go see it. Yeah, let's go see it. You too, Mikey. What? Why am I coming with you? You said you're the last one in the hall, right? Fine. Come on, guys. Let's walk. All right, guys. Let's walk. What? Come on. I think that it's like that. Yeah. See. I'm walking too. Okay. Oh wait, guys, let's go. Okay. Stop emanation. Okay. Let me just go ahead. Ouch. That really hurt. But let's go. Guys, I'm just gonna take it this way. You know what, guys? Part of interruption. This might take too long to put these guys here. So, wait a minute. Yeah, maybe you're right. Right, cameraman, but... Wait, there's another exit. What you mean? Oh, this exit. I keep recording. Okay, let's get to this exit. Oh! Whee! happened to you? I'm dead. You take this and take this. Dang it! I missed. There we go. And okay, we're gonna have to disable Clash of this. Okay, I'm in the gym. Guys, come on, let's go. Yo, you kids. What do you want? I don't know you. Why did he get ill with it? He pulled a fire alarm. Ooh. So you're gonna ask us some questions. Oh wait, janitor is coming. Wait, really? Yeah, he's coming. Alright guys, I'm here. You're here. Alright, so yeah, this is so yeah, I asked Mr. Wilson if I could go to the bathroom, and then I went to the lavatory. That's really odd. Is there anything else? Well, I went to the girls' bathroom. What are you? What gender are you? A boy? You what? Why did you go into the girls' bathroom? Well, it's because bro, you had the key to the boys' bathroom. Yeah, I was gonna go there until So, and then the janitor told me that the toilets were overflowed in the girls' bathroom. I think he did went to the girls' bathroom. I did tell him that the boys' bathroom was overflowing toilets. Alright. Okay, I'll check the... Let's see. I'm gonna check the, Okay, let's see. I'll check the alarm, okay? Guys, I'm checking the evidence here, and wait. It's that Cheez-It and cheese dip? Dip? I guess I might as well just walk away. Mikey! You were eating cheese in my classroom. Wait, he said there was cheese? You say you eating cheese? So it looks like he was... What? No, look. But look, my hands are clean. That's because you just rub it on your shirt. It seems like he used his shirt to pull the alarm. Mikey? Yes, principal? You're coming to my office now. What? No, please stop grabbing me. Actually, I gotta stop you there, principal. Thank you, officer. Thank you. You don't know how much appreciated. Please, you saved me from going to the principal office. Mikey is actually gonna come with us. Wait, what? Pulling a fire alarm for no reason is an actual crime. I'll pull you down to the station. What? No! No, please! Stop grabbing me! Stop it, please! Stop grabbing me! Stop grabbing me! I don't want to go! Let me go! What are you doing with Mikey? Friend under arrest for burning the fire alarm. What the heck is going on here? Like, I heard them crying noises, and I heard the alarm from over here. Oh, yes, Karen, Karen, your son was the one who pulled the fire alarm. Wait, what? Move out of this. Will you excuse me? Move out of the side, please. on? Hello, I'm talking to you. Karen is talking to you. Ugh, not Karen. What is it, Mom? Why did you pull the fire alarm? The policeman told me. I just pulled it because I just wanted to go do this pop quiz, and I just want to go to Legoland with my friends. Wait, what? Yeah. What? No, I was not gonna do a test. We were gonna play a game. Look at this paper. Wait, what? Let's see this paper, and it says bingo, but you mean I did all of this for nothing? And when you come out of jail, no Legoland for you. Ow! Don't hit me, Karen. You know what? As an reward. Wait, you're giving me a reward? Yup. I'm giving you a reward. Yeah! Wait, why are you going to machines? Wait, why are you spawning a rocket engine? Wait, why are you going to this spot now? So she closed it? Wait, is that a rope? Wait, don't tell me what I think you're doing. That's right. What I'm doing is what you think I'm doing. Wait, please don't launch me into space! Hey, don't take away my iPad, please! Whatever. Ma'am? Yes? I have the button. I'm gonna launch it now. And also, bro, just like I said, running away from problems just makes them worse. Click the button. No!